Hello and welcome to Azariah's Studio. My name is Sarah. I am the artist and designer behind Azariah's Studio. I'm going to show you how to work the double chain cast on. You will need a pair of needles and some yarn. Start with a slip knot on one of your needles. And take the second needle. You see they're crossed with the first needle on top, the empty needle on the bottom. Going to bring the yarn around the top needle, over the top needle, under the bottom needle, and then back over it. The loop that's on the bottom needle, I'm going to pull through. I'm going to take my needle out. The stitch turns around slightly and put my needle back in. The second stitch is worked much the same way. Needles are crossed, over the top, under the bottom, all the way around. Pull the stitch through. This time, use the tip of this needle to pull this over. Take this needle out so the stitch can turn and put it back in. And you continue in this manner until you have one less than the number of stitches you need to cast on. If you don't remember to turn the stitch, your foundation will not be as stretchy as it otherwise could be. I'm not going to turn the stitch. I'm going to show you the difference in it so that maybe you can spot it in your own work. Okay, there's two I have not turned. There's three I have not turned. These guys lay slightly flatter, and you can see there's just a little bit of twist here where this side's coming out of this side instead of just laying on top. And go back to twisting the stitches. Follow this video one step at a time. Pause it, come back and try again. This cast on very quickly feels very natural, even though there seems to be a lot of parts to it. All right, this is going to be my last stitch. Over, out, untwist, and then set onto the needle. And we're ready to get to work. I will warn you that this cast on takes up more space than many other cast ons. I have a blog post about that, and I will drop the link in the description below. You can see these guys twisted here, yeah, they're twisted. I didn't take the needle out and untwist them. And that is how you work the double chain cast on. Thank you for watching. If you liked what you saw, be sure to like and subscribe. If you have more questions, you can always email me, Sarah@azariahsfiberarts.com, or drop a comment below. Happy making!